Hi, Leon.
I got a dragon toy from Buc-ee.
Dragon toy from Buc-ee's. That's awesome. We are on a road trip. We stopped at a Buc-ee's in Rockingham, Virginia. And Leon picked a dragon toy. He's gonna open it up.
They're not open.
Cool. Wow. Oh, that's so neat.
How should the dragon
Here,
like?
let me see him. Let me see him. Show your friends. Oh, cool.
And a dragon egg.
And an egg?
It's open.
What?
Keep turning.
Another dragon.
What? Another dragon in there? That one look like it doesn't glow in the dark. It's like bright green. That's so cool. That was a surprise for you.
I think it's a baby one.
Yeah. That's so cool. Let's see the egg. Okay.
You can
Look at that pretty egg.
See, it's golden and oh.
Here you go. Hold that. Ooh, it's a pretty bright green dragon. I bet it glows in the dark. It really seems like it could, huh? That's the egg.
I'll show you why and my top holder.
Okay.
And I don't want to be in here because it will be too scared.
Okay, you're gonna put it right there?
Yeah.
Nice.
Oh, is his name Blazing?
Blazing.
No
Yeah,
wonder he's like
I
that.
will name him
Does he have
Blazing.
a film show? That's probably
And I will name him
There he is. Sweet.
Sweet.
Wow, that's
Sweet
so cool.
and wild.
Wow.
Whoa.
Put him on, wrap him around your hand or wrist, yeah. Oh.
Bye, Sharon.
Bye, Leon. See you later.